Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to get a virtual credit card. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to Play Store and search for this app called Noupia. Once you get there, you simply open the app. After which, you simply need to choose your country. So I'm going to select my country, Cameroon. After which, I'm going to insert my telephone number. But I already have an account on this. I already have a virtual credit card on this platform. So I'll simply demonstrate you guys how you can get your own. After that, I'll simply insert, let me just say any name, confirm it, put your password, so that's it, place of birth, put the month. If you have a reference code, I'm going to leave it on the description box below, that you can have $10. After that, you click on what? Create. Sorry, I'll quit. After that, I'll click on what? Create. So as you can see, this is our account already created. So we'll need to verify our account. So I'm going to click on verified phone. So I'm going to copy this and send it to this WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on what? Send. After which, I'm going to click on what? Email verified. So I'm going to check at my email address. So I'll simply copy the code and I'll insert it here and click on what? Verified. After which, you can read out their team and accept it. Once you're done with that, you simply need to upload your profile, to upload either your ID card or your driving license or your passport. As I earlier told you guys, I already have an account, so I don't need to upload it again because I already have an account with them. So once you're there, you just simply need to click on this and you go and search for where you place the document. Once you are done with that, your account will automatically be verified. So once you're done in uploading your ID card, your account will show you in this manner. So you can easily make a deposit or withdraw